Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the admission procedures, eligibility criteria, fees structure of Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine situated in Jaipur. So without any further ado, let's get started. The Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine is a private college situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan with broad vision, mission and mandate. This private college is affiliated with Rajasthan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Rajuvas, Bikaner, recognized by the Veterinary Council of India, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India. The Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine follows the course curriculum as per the Minimum Standard of Veterinary Education 2016 prescribed by the Veterinary Council of India, New Delhi, with emphasis on the disease of bovines including sheep, goat, camels, equines, poultry and companion animals to meet specific requirements of the state. In nutshell, the Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur is recognized by the Veterinary Council of India and have permission for the year 2020-21. The link for the letter of recognition and permission by Veterinary Council of India will be in the description box. Moving on, the admissions are made under two categories in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur. So the first category is for the regular seats and the second category is for the management quota seats. There are total 80 seats in account, 40 for the regular category and 40 for the management category. Moving ahead, the admissions under the regular seat in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur are made by RPVT, Rajasthan Pre-Veterinary Entrance Test, NEET, National Eligibility cum Entrance Test as per the rules and regulations made by the central government, state government or the university. The tests are conducted annually after qualifying the 10+2 examinations intermediate in the subject of the physics, chemistry and biology. Provisional admissions of the candidate is granted to those whose results are awaited for the qualifying examination by the board or university. For example, the results of the intermediate examinations are not available at the time of admission in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur, then the seat will be provisionally granted to that particular student and after the results are available, he or she can confirm the seat. The important note is that if any candidate applying for the Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine for regular seats, then he or she should have the Rajasthan state domicile. Moving on, the admissions under the management quota seat in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine in the course of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry are open to the students of the different Indian states or union territories. The students who have appeared in the National Eligibility Entrance Test (NEET) can apply for the management quota seats in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur. The important note is that no domicile is required if any candidate applying under the management quota seats in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine. Now we will discuss about the eligibility criteria to take admission under the UG course of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur. First of all, the candidates must have attained an age of 17 years as on or before 31st December of the year of the admission. The candidates must have attained a minimum age of 17 years and the maximum age of 25 years on or before the 31st December of that year of his or her admission to the first year of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. So for the general category, the minimum age requirement is 17 years and the maximum age allowed is 25 years. And there shall be relaxation of maximum age by 5 years for scheduled caste or scheduled tribes or other backward class candidates. Moving on, the candidates must have qualified the senior secondary school 10 plus 2 or its equivalent examination like NIOS, ICSE conducted by the statutory board. The next criteria is that a candidate under the general category for admission to the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course shall have to qualify in each of the subjects of the English, physics, chemistry and biology and obtain 50% in aggregate of these subjects. It means that a student under the general category should acquire 50% of the marks in his or her intermediate result. In respect of the candidates belonging to the scheduled castes or the scheduled tribes or the special category of the students specified by the government from time to time, like physically disabled student, marks required for admission shall be 5% less than the prescribed for the general category. It means that there is 5% relaxation for the reserved category candidates. The next criteria is that a candidate shall not be allowed admission to Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course, including those admitted under 15% reserved quota of Veterinary Council of India, if he or she suffers from the following disabilities: disability of the total body including disability of the chest or spine more than 50%, disability of the lower limb of the more than 50%, disability of the upper limb, visually handicapped candidates and those with the hearing disability, candidates with the progressive disease like myopathies, etc., disabilities which otherwise would interfere in the performance of the duties of a veterinarian. Simply, if any candidate lies under these category of disability, is not allowed to take admission under the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course. Moving on, the fees structure of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry degree course in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine is about 6 lakh per year. The hostel fees structure for BVSc and AH degree course in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine for the normal dual seated rooms per year is about 85,000 rupees, and for the air conditioned dual seated room per year is about 1,20,000. Moving on, the merit basis scholarship is offered to the students in the Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine securing first 5 positions in the university examination held by the Rajuvas, Bikaner. Student who secured the following positions will be awarded with the cash prize and certificate. For example, if any student secured first position in the university examination conducted by Rajuvas, Bikaner, he or she shall be awarded with rupees 5 lakh. I hope the queries related to the admission procedures, criteria of eligibility and fees structure under the BVSc and AH degree course in Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur is now clear. I hope you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.